Every lunch rush call your team can't answer goes straight into your rival's booking. Welcome to Aussie Business Hub. Here's the reality. During a busy service lunch Friday night, Mother's Day, you and your whole team are flat out. A customer calls to book a table for Saturday. Nobody picks up. They hang up, open Google, and book with the restaurant down the street. You never even knew they tried. This isn't a one-off. It happens on nearly every busy shift, and those lost bookings add up fast. Tip 1. Fix your voicemail so it actually does something. Most restaurant voicemails say, "Leave a message and we'll call you back." By the time you call back, they've already booked somewhere else. Change your voicemail greeting to give callers a clear next step right now. Something like, "Thanks for calling. We're busy serving guests at the moment." To book a table instantly, visit our website or find us on Google. Search our name and click Book Now. We look forward to seeing you. That one change turns a dead-end voicemail into a live booking path. Tip 2. Send an automatic SMS reply to every missed call. Some phone carriers and many modern phone plans let you set this up. When a call goes unanswered, the caller automatically gets a text within seconds. Something like, "Hi, sorry we missed your call. We're serving guests right now. Book a table here, your booking link." You don't have to do anything. It fires automatically. The customer gets a response immediately, and you've given them a direct path to book before they go anywhere else. Check with your phone provider. Many offer this for free or as a low-cost add-on. Tip 3. Make your Google business profile do the heavy lifting after hours. A huge number of people search for a restaurant on Google, see your listing, and want to book. But there's no easy button. Go into your Google business profile right now and make sure your booking link is added. Also make sure your hours are accurate, your phone number is correct, and you have the Book a Table button enabled if your booking system supports it. After hours, when you physically can't answer, Google becomes your front of house. Set it up once and it works for you around the clock. Bonus tip. If you have any staff who aren't on the floor during peak, a manager, a bookkeeper, anyone in the office, assign one person as the phone handler for the hour before service and during peak periods. It doesn't have to be a full-time job. Even 90 minutes of dedicated phone coverage during your busiest window can save several bookings a week. Rotate the responsibility if you need to. The point is, someone is accountable for that phone. Right now, in most restaurants, nobody is. None of these tips cost much money. They just need to be set up once. Update your voicemail today. Check your Google listing has a booking link. Look into an auto SMS reply for missed calls. You're already working hard every service. These small fixes mean that hard work actually converts into full tables. Try one of these this week and drop a comment below. Let me know which one you're starting with. That's it for today. If this helped, hit subscribe. Aussie Business Hub posts every week.